Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps to resolve the anarch.dll error code 1 on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering the anarch.dll error with error code 1 on your Windows 11 system, here is a straightforward solution. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft C++ redistributable. Once the search results appear, navigate to the official Microsoft Visual C++ download page. Scroll down the page until you find the x64 version and click on it to download. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and run it. You will likely see an option to repair the installation. Select this option, and the system will attempt to fix any corrupted or missing files associated with the redistributable package. For some systems, if the package is not installed, you will have the option to install it instead. Should repairing or installing the Microsoft C++ redistributable not resolve the anarch.dll error, the next step is to perform a system file checker scan. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt in the search results and select Run as Administrator. In the elevated Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter, sfc:/scan. This command will initiate a scan of your system files, and if it detects any corrupted files, it will attempt to repair them. This process can often resolve issues caused by damaged system files, including DLL errors. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.